What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today for you, I have this power port USB from Anker. Alright, let's check this out. So, real quick, pick this thing up. Anker. It's got 6 ports. USB only, not USB-C. There are other ones out there that have it, but I picked this one up specifically for the use of constantly traveling, bringing stuff with me that requires charging, and most of the stuff that I have, with the exception of just 2 things, the plugs and the wires, they're all USB. I have no reason to purchase USB-C wires to charge the stuff up. Everything works fine. So found a sale on this on the Amazon, so I picked it up. I'm going to utilize about at least 4 or 5 of these at a time, so that's why I picked this up. It's real slim. It's not very big. It actually winds up being much smaller. You can see the kind of phone that I have there, and you can see how big that is. So inside the box, just a plain old box, no picture on it, otherwise I would have showed it in the beginning. We got fast charging, comes with an 18-month hassle-free warranty. Honestly, for the price of this, if it lasts me 12 months, 16 months, 18 months, 20 months, 2 years, 48 months, I don't care. I'll just purchase another one. It's not a big deal. But I believe I paid, I think it was like 33 bucks, 34 bucks, something like that for this. And let me tell you, I've used it twice already. Man, for some reason, it just speeds up charging process like I couldn't believe. Normally I have something that I travel with that does take all night and overnight to charge up. This thing had it done in like 2 or 3 hours. Can't go wrong with that. Not complaining. We'll never complain about this thing. It does not get hot. I did have the full 6 ports used up, charging 6 different things, and this thing did not get hot. Even got the wire here. Comes with a little Velcro pad here to wrap it up back nice and neat. This wire did not get hot as well. So that I thought was definitely a big plus. Sometimes you bring an individual wire with its plug away on vacation. If you're in a hotel room, you're staying at somebody else's place, and normally that plug and wire does not get hot where you normally charge it up. But when you go away, it does get hot. This eliminated that for me. Could be different for you, I don't know. But for me, this thing right here has definitely put my mind at ease when charging so many things: cameras, GoPros, rechargeable phone packs, the portable battery packs, electronic heaters, whatever. Portable fan, if it charges up or whatever. This thing, none of it gets hot. Can't stress that enough. None of the wires, none of the plugs. Sometimes just the plug, not the wire, will get hot. We've all been there. If you understand what I'm talking about, it has happened to you. This has eliminated that for me. I would definitely check these out. Don't just get the cheap ones. Go with a brand out there, Anker or whatever. Do your research, see what comes up at the first like 10 or 15 options in your search on Amazon or in your Google search, whatever you choose to search. Check out your reviews. Do your homework. Do your research. And find something like this that will save space on the number of plugs that you bring, because now you're just bringing this. That's it. Each wire for each thing you have could stay with each thing, and you take it out, plug it in, and that's that. This thing has saved a bunch of space with now just having one plug like this compared to 6 different plugs, 6 different wall blocks. Maybe some of them have 2, so you have 4. Whatever. This right here saves space. You can have everything plugged in one spot, not spread out everywhere through. I couldn't tell you how many times I've been to a hotel room and which outlet doesn't work. Now you can't charge everything up that you might have. If you have a lot of stuff, if you're traveling with kids, each of them got a cell phone. Each of them got an iPad. You got some electronic game. You got stuff, everything that's got to be charged up. Solution right here. 30 something bucks on Amazon. Anker 6-port power plug. Search it up. Check it out. This thing right here, all I got to show you today. Hit that like button down below. Hit the subscribe and the bell. It'll alert you every time there's new stuff coming. Thanks for watching.